3, 2, 1, action!
Good afternoon, Mr. Made. This is my video assignment. Now, I will explain about step-by-step how to a la carte table setup. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Dikadik Wiratnasari. I'm from class F&B Service 3. My number absent is 70. Enjoy this video.
First,
Prepare all equipment used to table setup.
from napkin and placemat. Don't forget round tray. After that, prepare the cutleries from B&B knife, dinner fork and dinner knife. Table accessories from flower vase, table numbers, salt and pepper shaker. For chinaware, only B&B plate. Take water goblet glass.
And second, lay out the table and chair.
Step third,
Iron the placement.
step fourth,
Put the table
the middle of
accessories
table.
from flower vase, salt and pepper, and table
Make
numbers.
sure the table numbers in the main entries. Step fifth,
Put the B&B plate in the left side,
first,
holding the napkin.
the name of this folding napkin is Simple Pack.
Step 6, put the napkin.
In middle of placemat. Step 7. Arrange the cutlery from dinner knife in the right side, dinner fork in the left side, and B&B knife on the B&B plate. Place the knife with the sharp part facing inward.
Step 8, placing the glass.
Make sure the glass is 3 cm from the tip of the dinner
And
knife.
the last, double check.
Make sure that everything is neat and the cutleries are 2 cm from the edge of the table.
Thank you for watching my video.
本日はお集まりいただき誠にありがとうございます。